Hi students, I am Satish Kumar Talpuri. Welcome to Learn with Satish channel. Learn with Satish channel is happy to release a series of learning videos for the Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning course offered by various engineering colleges for their computer science third year and fourth year students. In this set of learning videos, I will cover the topics as per the syllabus prescribed by different engineering colleges. First, I will introduce the syllabus related to Artificial Intelligence course for third year first semester of computer science undergraduate students. For the Artificial Intelligence course, the reference textbook title is Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach, which is authored by Stuart J. Russell and Peter Norvig. The third edition of the book has been published by Pearson Education in 2019. Other references include Artificial Intelligence, a New Synthesis, and an Intelligent Tutoring System for the Accounting Cycle, Enhanced Textbook Homework with Artificial Intelligence. The syllabus presented here also gives reference to the chapter numbers in the main reference textbook. Objectives. The course introduces the background to artificial intelligence study, different learning algorithms, searching and optimization techniques for problem solving, and provides basic principles related to natural language processing and robotics. Introduction. The introduction chapter discusses the definition of artificial intelligence related to thought processes, reasoning, behavior, and rationality. Various approaches like human-centered approach and rationalist approaches are considered with a combination of thinking and acting humanly or thinking and acting rationally. The foundations of artificial intelligence are also discussed, involving philosophy, mathematics, economics, neuroscience, psychology, computer engineering, control theory, cybernetics, and linguistics. The history of artificial intelligence from 1943 until present times is explained, including the birth of artificial intelligence, early expectations and reality, knowledge-based systems, neural networks, intelligent agents, and availability of large datasets. In the state of art subsection, some applications which AI can do today are discussed. It includes robotic vehicles, speech recognition, autonomous planning and scheduling, game playing, spam fighting, logistics planning, robotics, and machine translation. Intelligent Agents chapter deals with examining agents, environments, and coupling between them. Other topics include rational agents, nature and categorization of environment, and basic agent designs. The concept of rationality, good behavior, structure of agents, agent programs, reflex agents, goal-based agents, utility-based agents, learning agents are also discussed. Solving problems by searching. This chapter discusses problem-solving agents, defining and formulating problems, goal formulation, states, toy problems, real-world problems, Turing problems, traveling salesman problems, VLSI layout problems, robot navigation, and automatic assembly sequencing. Using search algorithms to solve problems, search trees, nodes, search strategies, infrastructure for search algorithms, uninformed search strategies, informed search strategies, performance accuracy metrics, and heuristic functions are also covered in this chapter. Beyond classical search. This chapter deals with finding solutions for unknown environments. It covers local search in the state spaces, continuous spaces, global minimum, and global maximum. Algorithms like hill climbing search, local beam search, genetic algorithms, line search, gradient search, and or search, online search agents with unknown environments are also covered. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning deals with how an agent can learn from success or failure, from reward or punishment. It also covers optimal policy for the environment, agent designs, passive learning, active learning, exploration, reward function, action utility function, bandit problems, queue learning, and policy search. Applications like gameplay, robot control, or export. Natural language processing. This chapter discusses natural languages, language models, grammar, semantics, character models, word models, model evaluation, text classification, information retrieval, scoring functions, page rank algorithm, its algorithm, question answering, information extraction, and machine reading. Natural language for communication. This chapter covers topics related to communication, phrase structure grammars, parts of speech, syntactic parsing, learning probabilities, augmented grammars, semantic interpretation, machine translation, speech recognition, and acoustic models. Perception. This chapter covers topics related to definition of perception, sensors, sensor model, object model, rendering model, image formation, lens systems, projections, light and shading, color, image processing operations, edge detection, optical flow, texture, segmentation of images, object recognition, reconstructing the 3D world, shading, contour, multiple views, structural information, and vision systems. Robotics. This chapter discusses about robots, effectors, physical forces, sensors, manipulators, mobile robots, unmanned air vehicles, autonomous underwater vehicles, humanoid robots, location sensors, global positioning system, range finders, sonar sensors, scanning lidars, tactile sensors, synchro drive, differential drive, robotic perception, localization and mapping, motion, uncertain movements, dynamics and control, robotic software architectures, and application domains. Philosophical foundations. This chapter discusses weak AI hypothesis, strong AI hypothesis, and arguments for those hypotheses, mental states and the brain, functionalism, biological naturalism, consciousness, exploratory gap, ethics, and risks. This session also covers the present and future of AI, the direction we are going, whether it is good or not, and the confusion related to all these issues. I am Satish Kumar Talpuri with 29 plus years of experience in technology, management, and entrepreneurship areas. I am happy to help you with any information. Do contact me with your queries.